Hello friends, today we will see a conversation at bank. Most of the time when we go to bank, the bankers are strangers. We can practice English easily and we can have a good conversation with them, and banker also will get an impression that the customer is educated. And maybe sometimes the banker may not be understanding our regional language. In that case, English is the easy language to talk to them, to express our feelings. So let's enter into the conversation. Here I have taken imaginary situations, and according to that what we speak generally. So that kind of situations, according to that I have framed few phrases. We'll see that. Now the first one is here, excuse me. Whenever you want to talk to a banker, please start with excuse me. Directly don't speak, okay? So excuse me, I want to open a savings account in your bank. I want to open a savings account in your bank. Whatever you want to do, you can say that, excuse me, I want to open a fixed deposit or otherwise a recurring deposit, anything what you want you can mention it. Excuse me, I want to open, start with this, I want to open savings account in your bank. Or otherwise you can use another phrase, excuse me, may I know the procedure to open an account. May I know, it's a good phrase. May I know what is the procedure to open a savings account, a fixed deposit, or anything you can say. This you can use, anything. And third one, may I know what is the minimum deposit amount. Most of the times the bankers will ask to deposit some amount. So you wanted to know that, you are saying that, may I know what is the minimum deposit amount. Then the banker will be saying that you have to deposit a minimum 5,000 or 1,000 in your bank, then only it is possible to open the account. In the previous one also, excuse me, I want to open a savings account in your bank. May I know the procedure? You can ask like this, may I know the procedure? Then the banker will say, please get your Aadhaar card and PAN card, two pass photos and minimum amount of something, or fill up this form. So the procedure they'll tell you. Immediately you have to say thank you. Take that, and with the help of someone or directly if you have any idea, you can just complete the formalities. Okay. So here we asked, may I know what is the deposit amount. Next one, I want a locker in your bank. If you want to open a locker, want to have a locker in the bank, it's the safest thing, no? So you are asking, I want a locker in your bank. Can you tell me the locker vacancy status? Is there any vacancy is there or not? So for that we are saying, can you tell me the locker vacancy status? Then the banker will be saying that sometimes maybe available, yes it is available, but the small locker is available. And immediately you have to say what is the annual amount, annual rent amount for the locker. Immediate question you have to. Sometimes if it is not available, sorry it is not available, then you can say immediately that whenever there will be any vacancy, please inform me, this is my number. So like intimate them. Okay. So this about the locker. Next one, I want to open a fixed deposit or RD, recurring deposit, anything whatever you want. I want to open a fixed deposit. May I know the interest rate? According to interest rate you will be deciding that. So that is why you wanted to say that I want to open a FD and what is the interest rate? May I know what is the interest rate? They'll say annually this much or recurring deposit this much with compound interest yearly, something they'll say. According to that you can decide it. Next one, what is the rate of interest on savings bank account? When you keep some amount, then you wanted to know what is the rate of interest on savings bank account. So they'll say you something. Next after that, how many days it will take to activate account or ATM? Generally whenever you open any account, it will take some time to open. Nowadays it's quite easy and immediately within 1 hour, 2 hours, something they are opening it. So that you wanted to know how many days it will take to activate account, or how many days it will take to activate ATM. ATM card also they are giving immediately. So that you wanted to know how much time it is going to say. For that the banker may be saying that it will take by today evening or maximum by tomorrow evening. So this is the answer from the banker. Then immediately what you have to say? Thank you. Next, can I get withdrawal form please? Can I get withdrawal form please? Or otherwise, withdrawal is over. If you want, can I get deposit form please? Can I get DD form please? Whatever you want, if you want withdrawal form, deposit form, DD form, you can say can I get, or otherwise may I get. Or you can say may I know where is deposit form. Anything you can use, okay? Then how much time it will take to prepare DD? DD, if you are preparing DD, if you are given some amount for DD, you have to ask this, how much time it will take to prepare the DD. So according to that you can plan and you can just take rest. So how much time it will take to prepare DD? Then the answer of the banker will be hardly it will take half an hour. Please be seated sir, we'll call you. Say thank you and go and sit comfortably like a gentleman. We'll continue this conversation after the break. Few more conversations we'll see now. So next one is here. May I know what is the procedure for applying gold loan, education loan, mortgage loan, housing loan? We want to take any loan. If we want to take any loan, for that first we should know the procedure. What is the interest they are charging and how many days, how much amount you have to pay. So let other details like whatever they say, we want to know everything. For that we are using a phrase that may I know what is the procedure for applying gold loan, educational loan, mortgage loan or housing loan. Any loan you want to take, please use this phrase. Then they'll tell you. Another one you can take, what is the rate of interest for this loan? Interest rate, how much is the interest rate for this loan? Then they'll tell you some amount, okay? Thank you, you can say, and you can decide how much you want to take loan, whether you want to take or you want to take some time to think to take the loan. That everything depends on you. Next one, can I get ATM card or checkbook today? When you're opening account in the bank, so you can ask this phrase, you can ask this question, can I get ATM card, checkbook today only? They'll say yes you can, but ATM card activation it will take 1 day time. You can get, but ATM card will be activated in 1 day. It will take 1 day time, okay? So you can say thank you very much. Next one, may I speak to the manager of this bank please? You want to talk for something. Personally you want to talk, you want to take his advice, you had any other problem, better to talk to the higher authority always. Higher authority is always bank manager only. So you can say, may I speak to the manager of this bank please? Then they'll say, please be seated, we'll call you. Thank you madam and go and sit. Say thank you and go and sit, wait for some time. Okay, and whenever you go to the manager, immediately you have to say, excuse me sir, good morning sir. That etiquettes you have to maintain, right? Next one, can you give me 500 rupees denomination please? Whenever you are withdrawing cash, for that you can specify a particular amount of rupees, particular denomination you want. For that you are saying, can you give me or can I get, okay? Can you give me 500 rupees denomination please? You can mention whatever you want. 1 lakh rupees, 500 rupees denomination, and 50,000 I want denomination of 200 rupees or 100 rupees, like you can specifically mention it. So that is, can you give me, or you can say, may I get, can I expect. The beginning sentence can be anything, but rest of the thing is same. And sometimes you get a lot of response from the bank manager or bank employees. They are giving a very good services and you are very much impressed. Please express that gratitude by taking this praise. Thanks a lot for your kind cooperation. Sir, thanks a lot for your kind cooperation. Or thanks a lot for your cooperation madam. You can use this, or thanks a lot for your prompt services. This is also one of the good praise. Thanks a lot for your prompt services. So any of this you can use. This is a general conversation with banker. Please remember, whenever you go to bank, do not hesitate to speak. Hardly you will be speaking 1 or 2 sentences. That you speak, your confidence levels will increase a lot. Slowly you will be accustomed, you will be habituated to speak in English without any hesitation. Regarding the spoken English, there is a lot of requests from our channel followers. I've been doing one by one each and every video. Please follow it. All the links are given in the description box. Go ahead, watch it, note it, practice it and enhance your skills. Wish you good luck.